Hello everyone. Today we are on a historic church open house. It's today only, Saturday, June 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Put together by the Miamisburg Historical Society. And we have 6 churches in the area participating. And we're going to go to each one. And apparently we should be able to get in, look around. I've got my cameras. Take some nice pictures, and the first one we're starting with is the Parkview Methodist Episcopal Church, currently the Journey. I'll take some pictures outside. It's located at 40 South 5th Street. Alright, let's try to head in here. The Journey Community Church. The entrance is around the corner. Okay. Well, let's see what we got here. 1988 Revitalization Award. Well, it looks good. Look at that rock work up there. My goodness. I'm going to take some pictures. Obviously, I'm going to take pictures, but we will put that at the end of the video. Let me go back to the front. I see a sign there above. This side also has that good rock work up there. I said there's where it shows First Evangelical United Brethren Church, 1857 to 1960. Up there is the rock work, and look at that tower, man. The stonework here is amazing. You don't see stuff like this anymore. No one builds with real stone. Of course, nothing lasts either anymore. Let's see if we can zoom in and get some pictures up there. So apparently it says we can go around the corner here to enter. And that might be the entrance back here. I'm not sure how many people they're going to get. Not sure how well advertised it was. That looks like the exact same mural on the side. Well, same stained glass. I don't know why I called it mural, but. Oh, I see the wire up there, and then I realize it's to keep the birds from landing. Of course, they'll land where they want anyways. I said if you come and look at the tower, the brickwork here, well, stonework, I don't know why I keep saying brick. The stonework here is just amazing. And it's right beside my school, my elementary school, which I went into, Kinder. It's been completely rebuilt. They tried to keep the style of certain things in the front. All right, well, let's head in and we'll see what we have here. All right, we're heading in. Oh, well, the door's locked. Okay. Is there a way in this side, maybe? I tried getting in, but was not open. I think that might be the entrance, but I wonder if it's around the corner. Anyways, the door's locked, but I heard people inside. So we'll walk around and see. Look at this. Look at this painting down here, or the mural. Well, we're gonna walk down. Look at that. Well, that's pretty cool for sure. That's a nice, it's nice, I like it. We're gonna still try to find a way in. Okay, after looking, it seems that the student nightlife maybe here decided to paint it, and they seem to have all the local teams represented here. From the Vikings to the Pirates to the Elks and all the little ones around. Alright, well, let's walk around and we'll see. We'll We'll see if we got an entrance somewhere else. There's some stained glass on the outside. I mean, there's cars here. And I heard people inside, but the door's locked. I didn't want to knock. But... well, maybe this is the way in. Let's see. Might be. Oh, this is the office. I don't know. See. Hello. Hello. For the open house?
We're not having an open house today.
Oh, but I had it on there, the historic open house from the Miamisburg, so I didn't know.
I don't
They
know
definitely had anything.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know anything about it.
So we're inside the sanctuary. They're preparing for VBS, which is a great outreach for the kids. And look inside at this stained glass. That's absolutely amazing. I know I was in here 40, 50 years ago, but you don't remember as a kid so much. Look at that. This is absolutely awesome. This is the rotunda that we saw out there. My goodness. We'll get close-ups of these. So we made our way up top here. Get a view of the sanctuary. And look up there. But I wanted to get the close-up of the stained glass without the bar in front. Mostly. Yeah, look at that. How awesome this is. You know, we took pictures from the outside. It gave no justice to what was actually in here. Here's the other side. The people down below are getting ready for VBS, like I said, but they weren't really sure about the tour. But that's cool, they let me in, which is awesome. I shall record these lovely stained glass in the church for others. Okay, well, that's pretty good. This way I enter? No. This must be a different exit. Yep, working, yeah. And that's a different exit. We come in from over here. And look how thick this is. Thick, solid wood. And then the stonework. This thing is substantial. There you go. You can see they got the little bit of stained glass here, but it's clear to look out. Okay, that's a nice view. It's very well. It's a very pretty church, very lovely. So I found a way through the entrance of the office area, and a lot of people was in there decorating for VBS, but they really didn't know about the historic church open house and you know, this one was on it. But they graciously let me in, and we got to get some excellent pictures and video of that lovely building. And this building is substantial, and by substantial I mean it'd be the last one to get blowed down. That stonework is so solid and so thick in there. All right, well, let's go to the next one. Okay. Thanks everyone for watching the historical Miamisburg Church's open house. It was a self-guided walking tour on Saturday, June 7th. The journey was our first stop, and I will cover each church separately, so be sure to check back for the others. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe. You can also like, comment, and share. I upload videos from all kinds of events and things to do from around Miamisburg and the area. Feel free to come back and check them out. I appreciate you all for watching and have a great one.